On this morning's Fun Stop, we are being challenged to create a carnival headpiece in 5 minutes or less.
Let's go.
The plot twist. Wait. The plot twist is that we're going to incorporate materials such as file paper, baking lining cups, and gift bags in our design. No. The good thing is that Neferil and I are starting on equal footing because none of us know what we're doing.
Speak for yourself.
We don't know what we're doing.
No, me have it.
You have it?
Me have it under control.
So why we cannot work as a themes?
All right, let's go. What we are doing? It's a head thing, you know, that your hand.
You
Head.
don't know what I'm doing. You don't know my process, Nev.
Hold on.
When the river. Why am I tearing it if I have a scissors? Summer, Runis. Who's gonna muggle these? Muggle in a guanza. Oh my gosh, Shauna goes. Which tune is this? You take our music, you take our inspo, Shauna. I command you to jump. Nev, what you doing over there?
Oh, no.
Going. You saw your father fashion monkey never drink good soup? You wasn't gonna get so you try it on for me. You wasn't gonna put nothing in the middle of your him. Oh, we have glue gun too? So why am I taping? The glue gun. Way to go with the glue gun. It look like digital or flow can connect to what you're making over there. Is that satellite?
Where the tape?
After me, I know.
Come now.
Go on. Why is it not coming out properly? How? We're trying to waste our time. I can go to the pharmacy and buy these things. Should I have something better to do with some money? Why not? We just...
Jody, I need you.
Uh-oh.
Well, I need somebody.
Jody said not today.
Because I need somebody to take this from my back, yeah? Eh? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Joe.
What I need...
Gosh. What is this, Shauna?
Come now, George.
Napkin.
So how may I get it for stay?
String. You want string? Harry?
You know me, I'll get it for stay.
I'm trying to get the string off it. See, look how I help you. You're welcome.
But I still don't know how this is going to work.
I'm not sure either, but...
All right, I have it. I have it. Don't worry. I know exactly what is going on. The 5 minutes just seem long, though.
You just cut the ribbon and then... Mercy, Father. You know what? We're promoting sustainability. So let's not take the cardboard off the string. Huh? Hey! Jaja, city, Jaja. Shauna, the next time you give us the stapler, you can actually put staples in it? Oh, my apologies. Wow! Not for real for the win, guys. You already know. What seems to be wrong over there, sir? It's, I know how Aaron took me serious, honestly. Wire, watch your wire, watch your wire, watch your wire. Okay. Oh, there's single flowers. What? You look creepy. Don't look at me like that in that hat. It's so creepy. No, stop. Maybe want to call the cops. Okay. I have a minute and 19.
Oh, this costume, by the way, is called Smile Vineyard. And all I need for the know is just.
Okay, the challenge with this is that I haven't found a way to secure it yet. But
well, you see, I
Steve,
found.
it said let's party at the top. Wait. There you go. Isn't it bad?
No, but you hold it. Look at mine. Mine is.
It's our whole costume.
Mine is sustainable.
It's not bad.
No, but you have to let it go. Mine must win. You know. I do not go on. Mine must win because.
Nev, any satellite you pass, you can pick.
No, it's a reason I put this. Hold on. Hold on. It's a reason I put this to, just in case it rains. It will just, the water will just run out.
Cascade up here. Yes.
Thank you very much. And you can carry it home and you don't need to turn on your light. This is solar.
Come, turn around. Joe. If you would like to purchase any of the, what are you doing? Of these costumes.
No, but yours don't finish.
It finished.
No, so you're going to walk on the road and hold up your hand.
It's avant-garde.
Which means what?
It has a unique competitive differentiator, which is that everybody else's costume is fit on their head and
so the entire carnival you're walking and hold you something.
Yes,
so.
yes,
while I'm just right beside you.
You chip in.
No, when you say Jody, the on my team, you know, say.
Joe, you're on Neville's team?
Of course, you don't finish your hat.
Never win, man. Never win.
Let me know must win. First thing, I did it in 3 minutes. Watch out. Watch out.
Plus, you can pop popcorn with that.
No, but look at this.
It's gonna, when it gets hot enough in the sun.
The only thing I didn't think of.
You're gonna be
Wait. Yeah, the only thing I didn't think about because I put this for the rain, but I never realized it. It have a whole night up. So, hold on. I put it for the rain, but I didn't remember the whole night up.
Mine is minimalist avant-garde. Nev's is a little more mass.
My name's Smile Vineyard.
Well, clearly. More like Smile Tower.
And if you don't want to be a part of my band.
Let me see if I can get signal off of you.
Yeah.
Oh, 5 bars!
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
If you don't want to be a part of my band, send the money to me and then I will send the costume to you. Now,
where do they call?
If you don't get the costume before Carnival.
555-00-0. Oh. If you're calling from out of town, you're going to want to put a 1 anywhere into that number. Come, Buttercup.
And I want to tell you something. Hold on. I want to tell you something. Anybody who call and say me win, wanna get it?
Oh, Buttercup. Nice. Go team. It don't bad. Turn it back so they can see the detail on the attachment. No. Oh, I particularly love this part.
No, what's that about? It's just
The viewers have come to Never is the winner.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry. I've destroyed your
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Good job.
Yeah, thank you very much. Colors, solar.
Could I just use the foil alone, you know? And do something.
And do what?